Russian ruble is falling after swift sanctions over the weekend. Find out more coming up here in the Jog. Hi folks, Alex Klingelhoeffer here with Exencial Wealth Advisors. It is 7:57 here in the middle part of the country on Monday. It is February 28th, 2022. Here's your morning jog around the economic headlines of the world. Starting off with the Russia-Ukraine war. Russia got swifted over the weekend, right? They got disconnected from the global financial system in terms of swift payments for non-energy assets. If you can't get dollars in and out of Russia, it's super hard to trade currencies, which means that the Russian ruble has depreciated considerably. Now trading less than a penny per ruble. Ouch. About a 20% devaluation in the country's currency overnight was as much as a 30 or 40% valuation in Asia trading over the weekend. On a go-forward basis, that will continue to put extreme pressure on Russia to either figure out a diplomatic solution here and end their assault on Ukraine, or continue to go to the mattresses here and really slug it out. It will be tremendously harmful if they continue to do that now that those swift sanctions are in play. It continues to be the world against Russia on a go-forward basis. Really has coalesced into a strong fight. If you want an indicator where everything is going, definitely continue to watch the price of oil. Oil now trading almost at $100 a barrel again as the war is ongoing, and Iran deal still unfinished. Looks like it may come later this week. Speaking of oil, let's talk about an acquisition or two. First one in the energy space, Chevron buying Renewable Group at about a 30% premium to Friday's close. Of course, Renewable Energy does biodiesel. It's about a $3 billion deal. Energy giant Chevron, they're still looking to get to 100,000 barrels a day. That's their goal of renewable clean diesel by 2030. Seems like a reasonable goal. Biodiesel, of course, is a very popular project here in the US, even if it's mostly subsidies, right? Doesn't really work from an economic perspective yet, but there's lots of folks throwing money at it because it's subsidized by the government. Last but not least, before we get you off to a nice Monday, Canada with a deal. TD Bank is buying First Horizon. First Horizon, a southeastern U.S. regional bank, $13 billion all-cash deal. TD Bank, now one of the 6 biggest banks in the U.S., got a balance sheet of something like $600 billion. TD continuing to go down south and pick up assets in the Gold Coast region, continues to be a very nice player. They do 1 or 2 of these acquisitions a year, just picking off little regional banks, that sort of thing. Continues to be a very well operated organization. If you want some additional information throughout the week, feel free to find me. I'm out there on the internet. Until then, I hope you have a very nice rest of your Monday. I am out.